get up and go and sit at the table, which will be behind you at the time. So wait. Okay, can you come, Richard, with your line?
Good morning, elves.
Morning,
Right,
Richard.
right, as she comes in, good morning, elves. Right, stop, let's do it again, please. Sorry. I know, it's going to be right. Right.
Good morning, elves.
Morning, Brother Richard.
And amble back to the table. Just don't run back, just amble back to the table. Alright? Yeah. And you'll have some hours silence. Okay? Where were we?
Then he's saying, what do you
Right.
think you're doing at the same time? Get over it ever again.
Because obviously what happens after that is Richard will tell you what to do. Alright? Yeah. Okay.
You probably had something to do like
Okay, thank you very much.
guess.
No.